Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In this video, I will cover some more problems related to factorization of polynomials. So here in exercise 4.5, we are in question number 5. So we have to factorize these expressions. First expression is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So we are using here identity x plus y plus z whole square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we are writing in that form. We are putting this in right hand side because we have to find out in this form, right? So when how we can write it, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Only the thing what we have done here, we have written this part left hand side in right hand side. Okay, nothing else we have make changes. So here now from given equation we have to find out the values of x, y and z. So what is x, what is y, what is z? So here 2x, 4x square. So it is, if you are writing x square, right? So here it is written 4x square. So what will you make? 2x whole square. Now it is, this is the value of x, right? So just same I have written here, x equals to value, x equals to 2x. Then same y equals to, here it is 9y square. So you can write this 3y whole square, right? So this is the value of y. I have written here 16z square. 16z square you can write 4z whole square. So we have, but we have written here minus 4z, and how we'll know that whether it will come minus or plus? So that also we will see in the next of the rest of the terms when we will read it out. So here suppose 4z is z, right? Suppose this is z. But how will you make that this will be minus or this or this? So for that, we have to check these terms. Here, xy, yz and zx. Okay. So when you are multiplying x and y, means x and y, so you are getting this plus sign here, right? But when you are so that means y will be positive and x also will be positive. So what is remaining? Remaining term is remaining variable is z, because in both the terms which are with minus sign there is z. You see, okay, you see z is there, so that means z value of z will be minus 4z. So here after putting these values in this expression, which expression? This expression. Let me change ink, then I tell you which expression we are putting it in. We are putting in this expression here. In this part we are putting, and we are trying to find out this, right? So x square means 2x whole square. Clear? Y square means 3y whole square plus z square means minus 4z whole square plus 2xy. So 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2yz. So this is xy and this is 2yz and this is 2zx. So here we are putting these values, right? These values we have to put. After putting these values, we get the formula as it is written here. So we can write this this expression in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So in place of x plus y plus z, what we will write? 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Or you can say, because we have to factorize it, so we have to make it in linear expression. Linear expression means degree 1 with degree 1. So here 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So this is it. Second part is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 under root 2xy plus 4 under root 2yz minus 8xz. So this here we are using identity x plus y plus z whole square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We can write this in the form of this, means we changed left hand side into right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. That's it. Nothing we have done. So here from given expression, we are writing the value of x and y and z, and same technique you have to apply for this minus sign. So x equals to minus under root 2x, y equals to y, and z equals to 2 under root 2z. Why? How it is 2 under root 2z? To 8, you can write 4 into 2x z square. Sorry. Okay. So now if you are making it in the form square root form, so what will come? 2 square root of 4 will be 2, square root of 2 will be square root, and square root of z will be z, and you can make it whole square. In that form you can write it, right? So 2 under root 2z. So here I have written same. Now we get this expression after putting these values here in right hand side of this expression. Clear? This expression. So after putting right hand side minus 2 minus under root 2 x whole square plus y square plus 2 under root 2 z whole square plus 2 dot x and y plus 2 dot y and z plus 2 dot z and x, and we are putting values. Okay, so values of it, and values already I have written here. Clear? So you have to keep in mind, this is very simple problem. These are very simple problems. Only the thing you have to solve after learning from here, you have to close it and you have to try to solve it by your own. Only then you will be in practice. So after this minus under root 2x, you can write this expression in this form. So just we are doing same. Minus under root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square, and then in this form we can write this expression like, if it is written 2 raised to power 2, right, that means 4, isn't it? Or you can write it 2 into 2, 2 raised to power 2, you can write it 2 into 2. How? 2 times. So 2 we are writing 2 times. So just like that, this we are writing 2 times, this into this. If it is cube here, you have to write this 3 times. So that is it. Next question is, write the following cubic in expanded form. Here we have to write in expanded form. So in expanded form, the first part is 2x plus 3. So we have to see that which property we will, or which identity, algebraic identity we will use here. So we are using here x plus y whole cube because it looks like that. So here x equals to 2x and y equals to 1. So we have written here x equals to 2x and y equals to 1. So and after putting it in this identity, what we get? We get 2x whole cube plus 1 plus 3xy. So this is 3x and y. So value of x is 2x, value of y is 1 into x plus y. That is the expression. So here 2x plus 1. Now we will multiply this thing. After multiplying this, what we will get? 3 2s are 6 x. Now we will multiply this 6x into this. Okay. So in next step. So next step, what we have got here, 8x cube plus 12, 6 2s are 12x square plus 6x into 1, 6x, and this one constant we have written at the end. You can write in any form, but I have made it here in descending order of the degrees, according to degree of the expressions. So here, write the following cubic in expanded form. Again, second part is 2a minus 3b whole cube. So here again we are writing here x minus y whole cube. So x minus y whole cube says x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here x equals to 2a and y equals to 3b. So after putting these values in right hand side, what we get? 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into xy means 2a into 3b, and x minus y means 2a minus 3b. So here we have to solve it. So this, after multiplying this, we get 18ab. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18ab, and within a bracket 2a minus 3b. Now we have to multiply this 18ab into this bracket. So 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 8 2s are 36, a into a square and b. So 36 a square b with minus sign. Now here minus sign is here, and minus will become plus, and 8 3s are 54, a and b into b square. So this is it here. Sixth question, third part. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So given 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube, using identity x plus y whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So here x equals to 3 by 2x and y equals to 1. We have to put these two values in this expression. So we are putting here this equals to 3 by 2x whole cube, 1 cube plus 3 into 3 by 2x into 1 into 3 by 2x plus 1. So now you will multiply this thing. After multiplying this, we will get this 9 by 2x. 3 3s are 9 by 2x into 1. 1 will remain the same. So here when you multiply any value with 1, so value will remain the same. So 9 by 2x. Here 3 by 2x plus 1. So 27 upon 8 x cube. 1 cube will become 1. And now we have to multiply this into this. So 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, and x into x, x square. And here with 1, if you are multiplying, so 9 by 2x you will get. Now we are arranging it. So 27 upon 8 x cube plus 27 upon 4 x square plus 9 by 2x and plus 1 will come here. So fourth part says x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So x minus y whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here value of x is x, value of y is 2 by 3 y. So we are putting it in this right hand side of this identity to get the expanded form. So here x cube minus 2 by 3 y whole cube minus 3 x y, this is x, this is y, and value of x is x and value of y is 2 by 3 y. Don't get confused. And x minus y. So x minus 2 by 3 y. Now we will multiply this. This will be cancelled. So only 2xy will be remaining here, right? And x minus 2 by 3 as it is I have written. Now we have to multiply this into this bracket. So x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube, then 2x square y minus 2x square y, and this minus will become plus 2 and 2 will become 4. So 4 by 3 x y square. So this has been done. So in this video, I will cover the until question 6, and for more questions, you have to, for more problems, you have to watch my another videos. So till then.